Crowd1 is the first company ever to connect crowd marketing and online networking with the online gaming and online gambling. This will actually give millions of people around the world the opportunity to take part in the world's largest and most lucrative entertainment industry. All right. So the owner said, let's take a look at the first thing we want to look at is the gaming industry. So we're about 134.9. So let's just say $135 billion. This was in 2018 alone. So that's a huge market. But what's even bigger than that is the gambling world. The gambling industry by 2023 will be 525 billion US dollars, according to Research and Markets. They are the world's largest market research store. All right, so this is $500 billion industry. Currently the most profitable industry in the world is the gaming industry. If you Google how many people gamble online, we're looking at 1.6 billion people that gamble online. We have 7 billion population in the world, and almost 2 billion of them are gambling online. So what Crowd1 is going to do is they're going to introduce their customer base to the industry of the gaming and gambling industry. And what this will do is create a substantial recurring revenue for Crowd members. Basically, ongoing revenue revenue for all the members without being a gaming company and without arranging any payments to a gambling company. Crowd1 creates the power of the crowd to enable residual income for millions of people. All right, so how easy is this to duplicate? So number two that the owner wanted us to look at is duplicability. All right, the best thing about Crowd1 that all you need is a cell phone. So even if you have power outage at the house or the office, your cell phone will continue to work. It'll continue to operate. So this is the first 100% mobile online networking company who's adapted for every global market with high-end, real-time mobile technology. You see, Crowd1 is always on the forefront of technology. They now have a fully operational, both on Android and iOS, for Crowd1 app that you can download at the App Store or Google Play. And more than that, they have a responsive website adapted for increasing smartphone usage, delivering a great mobile experience to all of our associates. So they've actually enhanced their website to be prepared for the increasing use of the smartphone with their app and their website. All right, so they're ready for this. Number three is the pre-launch. We've been in pre-launch since January 25th, 2019 until the 1st of August, 2019. So during the pre-launch, the Crowd1 is already delivering. They're delivering on the education system. They're delivering on the owner rights, revenue shares, and most importantly, they're delivering on the payout. So when people have a commission, they have bonuses, they're able to deliver direct to the member's bank account or to the Bitcoin wallet. So they're delivering. And the reason why they can deliver is then for 3 years now, they've been preparing and they're planning for this. So they're well prepared. So make sure that all systems are working properly in Crowd1. All right. And number four is the launch itself. When we launch, all members will have the ability to sell or buy owner rights on the real-time trading platform of Crowd1 Exchange. Afilgo is the platform that actually they're the one who's licensing the gambling industry and the online gaming and all that. So they take care of that. We don't have to. They have everything from A to Z, even international and live events. So the soft launch is happening from August to October. And then the official launch happens in October 2019. So basically 8 days from now, we'll go into soft launch. But here in the Philippines, it's actually exciting because the first week of September, we open up the Philippines office. They're taking care of the office right now and all the legalities so that when we launch on the first week of September, we're all good to go. All right, so that's pretty exciting for those of you that are here in the Philippines. So let's look at the four membership packages. The first one is what we call the white package for 99 euros or about 111 US dollars, depending on the conversion. It's worth 90 package points that'll go into the binary, which I'll go over in a little bit. You'll get 99 euros worth of education voucher. Your matching bonus goes down to level 1. Your Streamline bonus goes down to level 4. And you will receive 100 euros worth of owner rights. Again, the owner rights are revenue shares that you can sell back in the Crowd1 exchange platform. So even just by joining, you invest 99 euros, you're going to get 100 euros back. So you're even just by joining and by purchasing the package, the white package, you're already even. You're getting whatever investment you put in, you're going to get that back from day one. The second package is the black package worth 299 euros. So that's about 333 US dollars, 270 points on the binary system. You'll get 299 euros worth of education voucher. Your matching bonus is now down to level 2. Your Streamline bonus is down to level 8. And your owner rights, you'll receive 300 euros. So again, your purchase of 299 euros, you'll get back 300 euros back in owner rights revenue shares that you can sell back in the Crowd1 exchange. So you're even. You're making money. You made $1. I mean, you made €1 for the white package and the black package. Okay. So the next one is gold package for 799 euros, which is about $898. That's 720 points on the binary. 799 euros worth of education voucher. Your matching bonus is now down to level 4. Your Streamline bonus is now down to level 12. But you will receive 1,000 euros worth of owner rights revenue shares. So you're making 201 euros just by purchasing the gold package. You haven't even done anything yet. All you've done is become a member with a gold package. You already made 201 euros profit. And then the next one is 2,499 euros, which is about $2,808. That's worth 2215 points in the binary. You get 2499 euros worth of education voucher. Your matching bonus is now maxed out at level 5. Your Streamline bonus is also maxed out at level 15. But you will receive 3,500 euros worth of revenue shares. So just by purchasing the titanium, you already made 1,001 euros. All right? So you profited already on day one from the moment that you purchased the titanium package. So that's incredible. All right? So Crowd1 membership, you can purchase using the credit payment. You can use your bank transfer, so bank-to-bank transfer. You can use the gift codes. If you're upline and everybody above you or anybody that has a gift code that you can use Ethereum or Bitcoin cryptocurrency, and you can use your credit card or debit card for purchasing of the membership. All right, so usually the banks do not like cryptocurrency because it's a competition to their banking industry. But in this case, because of the gambling industry, which is half $1 trillion industry, they're actually taking part of this platform that they're allowing Crowd1 members to use the banking system to pay for the membership. So that's incredible. That shows you a lot of what's going on in the Crowd1 industry. So when your business starts just by purchasing the membership, your businesses will actually start to grow because your owner rights and your Streamline value is increasing each time a new member joins. All right? So let's look at the income disclosure before we go into the compensation plan. We do not guarantee any level of income or success to anyone. Not everyone will earn the same amount. Some will earn less and some will earn more than others. And there will be some that will make very little money in this for those that do not work the business. In this industry, your earnings will be 100% dependent upon your own skills, your own commitment, your work efforts. you're persistent, and many other traits and activities that you do. So bottom line is you are the only person that can guarantee your income and your success, period. That's it. Now, we as leaders, we can show you the opportunity. We can share with you some of the tools and some techniques in network marketing, but it's technically up to you to become successful. It's up to you to make money. We can't do that for you, but we'll share that with you. All right. So with that, though, I want to share with you, for those of you that don't believe in network marketing, this is for you. Because for those of you that are negative, that says this is a scam, this is this and that, well, check this out. In network marketing, if you go to businessforhome.org and you look at the top earners, right now the top earner makes $2.1 million a month. The second one that makes over $1 million a month, I mean, where are you going to get that kind of an opportunity to make a lot of money? $1 million or $2 million a month? Only in this industry. This is the only place that you're going to see an opportunity to make as much money as you want to make based on your efforts. You're not going to get that kind of an opportunity at your job. No work, no company, no employer is going to give you an opportunity to make as much money as you want to make. They control how much money you make. They decide how much you're worth. This industry is the only industry that will give you that opportunity to make as much as you want to make based on your efforts. Now, there are negative things out there. For a lot of people that are negative about network marketing, you just don't know. You need to educate yourself about the industry because this is billions of dollars in industry. These are real companies. If you look at the company, they're a real company, all right? There's a real company that actually promotes Janess. Actually, Kim Yu, I know her. Number 6, she's making $850,000 a month. I know her when we actually launched Janess in California, all right? And actually, this name right here, Amway, if you look at number 8, Amway is the leader. They're actually the one that started network marketing back in 1959. So 60 years ago, network marketing began. And Amway is the company that did that. Without them, actually, I don't know if we'd have this opportunity. And Amway's been around. They're a 60-year-old company, 60-year-old plus company. All right, so please educate yourself. If you're negative or you just don't know anything about network marketing, educate yourself because this is really important that you understand the potential and the power for you to have an opportunity like this to make as much money as you want to make. An opportunity that you will not get in your job, in your 9 to 5. All right? So I just wanted to share that with you for those of you that just don't know about network marketing. All right? So with that, let's go ahead and go on to the world-class bonuses. More power, more performance, and more money to the members. All right, so let's start with the affiliate bonus or the binary bonus, which you can make up to 10% of 4 times of the lesser volume. So this is the way it works. So basically, in all other company, they will take the lesser of the 2 volumes, binary, which means there's a left team and a right team, a left volume and a right volume. So what they will do is they will take 10% of the lesser volume. So the most you will ever make in all the other company is 225 euros in this example. Okay? In Crowd1 is what we call 1-3 balance. So basically you take the lesser of the 2 volume, which is 2250. You multiply that 3 times, which is 6750. That's how much you're allowed to get from the other side if there's a lot of volume on one side, because normally it is never balanced. The left and right volume will never balance out. One side will always be greater than the other. So what you do in this case with Crowd1, you take 3 times of the lesser volume and you add the 2 together. You add the 2250 plus the 6750, 3 times that, which equals 9,000 points. So that's where you take the 10%. 10% of 9,000 is 900 euros compared to 225 euros on other companies. All the other companies, that's all you will ever make. The most you will ever make is 225 euros. You will never make any more than that. It doesn't matter if you have 1,000,000 points on the other side. They always take 10% of the lesser volume. Only in Crowd1 that they will give you basically 4 times the lesser volume. So if you take the lesser volume, which is 20 to 50, multiply that by 4, that comes out to 9,000 points. You take 10% of that. So that's just a shortcut of how you calculate. If you have a massive volume on one side and you want to know what's your maximum, you take the lesser volume, multiply it by 4, and take 10% of that. That's your max out. You can max that out that way. All right, so that's the affiliate bonus or the binary bonus. Only in Crowd1, they're that generous in giving their members that kind of a bonus. All right, so the second one is what we call the matching bonus, 10% each level down to 5 levels. So this is what it looks like. If you get a white package and you sponsor 4 people directly under you, you're now eligible for 10% of the binary on those people, 4 people that you've actually sponsored directly under you. And then if you get the black package and you have 8 personally direct sponsor, you're now eligible for an extra 10% on level 2. So you got level 1, 10%, level 2, 10%. And still with a black package, you put in 12 personally sponsored directly under you, you're now eligible for another 10% on the 3rd level. If you have a gold package with 16 personally direct sponsor, you're eligible for even another 10% on the 4th level. And the titanium package with 20 direct sponsor, you're eligible for another 10%, a total of 50%. So in most companies, actually in all the other companies, what happens is normally they will take 10%. So they'll give you 10% on the direct sponsor, level 1. But then as you go down, this will get to like 5%, 2 or 3%, 1%, 0.5. So as it goes down in level, it also goes down in the percentage share of matching bonus. Only in Crowd1 that they give you 10% on each level down to level 5. You will never see this in any industry. You just won't. You can research that all you want. Okay, so just this 2 alone, from the affiliate bonus and the matching bonus, we beat all other company. There's no other company that will actually be this generous to give an affiliate bonus or binary bonus and matching bonus the way they do here. So up to 50% to 5 levels on the matching bonus and 10% of 4 times the lesser volume. Just on those 2 alone, you're gonna make more money than any other company once you grow the business, if you're gonna build it. All right, no competition. I don't care what company you have out there. And those 2 bonuses alone, no comparison, okay? The third one is the fear of loss bonus. So basically this is, when you first join, they'll give you 14 days to recruit 4 people. So 14 days, if you actually find 4 people, you sponsor them directly under you that purchases the 4 titanium membership. 4 of them will give you 3,000 euros. You get 4 gold membership, 1,000 euros. 4 black members, 375 euros. And then 125 euros for 4 white members. So basically the 14 days, they'll give you 14 days to accumulate the top membership. So in the 14 days, let's say that you have 10, 15, or 20 members directly under you. They will take the top 4 packages and give you that bonus, the fear of loss bonus. So if you have, let's say 10 or 15 people, but 4 of them are titanium, they'll give you 3,000 euros. Or if there's 4 gold members at the top membership, they'll give you 1,000 euros, and so on. But if it's a mix, let's say, for example, there's 2 blacks and 2 white membership, they'll give you the bottom, which is the white. So they'll give you 125 euros. But that's still pretty good, right? Okay, so that's a fear of loss bonus. The next one is the affiliate residual. Up to 10% of the gambling residual. This is true residual from the gambling industry. So it's based on the binary points and balance. So the first title is going to be the team leader, star, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. Starting at 500 points on the binary points balance, 1,000 and then 2,500. 5% on gambling residual. The next one is what we call coordinator, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000 for the 3 star. Still 5% gambling bonus. And then the manager from 50,000 to 250,000. The 2 star manager, they usually give you some kind of a, like this time, a Vegas trip or some kind of reward here when you reach this point. This is a milestone. But the best one is at the director 2 star. When you make a 1 million binary points in balance, you will increase your gambling residual to 10%. Okay? And all the way down up to the president. So that's 10% of people gambling online around the world, the entire company. All right, so that's true residual from the gambling industry. That's a kickback from the gambling industry. So that's month after month, year after year, that you're going to get that. As long as people gambling. Again, this is a $500 billion industry. So they can afford to give this every month, year after year. All right, so the last one is what we call the Streamline bonus. The Streamline bonus, you can make up to 1,000 euros per week or 4,000 euros a month. That's based on people joining after you. So look at my membership after me. This is 10 weeks, by the way. So 10 weeks after I joined, there were over 70,000. So 70,890. I just printed this just now. That's how many people that have joined after me in just 10 weeks. And it's actually accelerating exponentially now because there's more people that are joining, more people are recruiting, more people are building the business. So the way it works, if you get the white package and you recruit 3 personally sponsored directly under you, you can now benefit at level 4, provided that there's 1,000 members that join right after you. And that's only, that's like a day. In 1 day, you'll get that, probably even less now. So you will receive 10 euros per week. So 40 euros per week. Now, let's say you haven't put anybody in. You came in on the white package and you didn't put anybody in. So there's no requirement at level 1. 250 members, that's probably in an hour or less that people will join. That'll be really quick. They will give you 2.5 euros per week. So that's 10 euros per week, even if you don't do anything. But of course, you want to build this. I mean, there's an opportunity there. But when you join at the very beginning, you're already eligible for 10 euros per week. I mean, per month, 2.5 euros per week for just joining at the white package. At the black package, you're now eligible up to 75 euros per week or 300 euros per month. The gold package, you're eligible for 250 euros per week or 1,000 euros per month. And lastly, the titanium position, when you get that package, you're now eligible for 1,000 euros per week or 4,000 euros per month in owner rights, revenue sharing, that you can actually sell back into the Crowd1 exchange. So the owner rights is just like company stocks that you can sell, just like if you buy Google stocks, Apple, Microsoft, any of those stocks that you can actually sell back to the company or sell back into the public. That's what the owner rights are. And right now, while we're in pre-launch, and it's only available in pre-launch, it's only the free owner rights are only available during pre-launch, which ends August 1st. So you only have about a week or so. All right, so you can still take advantage of this. So the owner rights are your way into taking part of all future revenue streams created by Crowd1 third-party companies. Again, this is revenue shares for future, now and into the future. All right, so when I joined, it was actually at 500% growth. So it was worth 0.6. The owner rights was worth 0.6 euros. Then it went to 730% growth at 0.83. Right now, we're at 850% growth since we started. So it's worth 0.95 euros, the owner share, per owner share. All right, we're expected to go to 2 euros before we launch. All right, so that's the owner rights. So basically, when we launch, all members will be able to sell and buy owner rights on the trading platform called Crowd1 Exchange. Members trade it just like stocks. So owner rights will give all members a fast and accessible way to make many times more return than on a regular savings account. You're going to make more money than if you put money in the bank. All right. And Crowd1 members will always have the possibility to sell their owner rights back to the company at a guaranteed base value. So you're guaranteed to be able to sell this back to the company. So there's no losses. You don't lose anything. So the Crowd1 owner rights is the tool which will allow you and the entire crowd to make money, not only on your investment, your business, the entire Crowd1 activity globally. All right. So after we launch, new members will have to buy their owner rights exclusively from existing owner rights. So this is an opportunity that nobody else will get after the pre-launch, because you're getting free owner rights right now. Okay, you're never going to get that. And each owner right will generate return from all gambling activities generated from all members and players around the world. Okay, so here's a note. Number one, it's not available in the US unless you have a foreign home address. Online gambling is not available in the United States. They won't allow it. But if you have a foreign address, just like me, I'm from California, but I have a foreign address in the Philippines, that's what I'm using. So yes, you can do that. Number two, you do not have to be a gambler. We don't even want you to be a gambler. If you're not a gambler, don't. To be able to participate in Crowd1, we just want you to take advantage of this over $500 billion industry. There's so much money here. This is a way for you to generate extra income if you want. And it's an opportunity to create and build wealth and residual income. I just showed you, right? And most importantly, this is a chance to fight against poverty. Even in the States, there's a lot of poverty. But most importantly, for a lot of people around the world, this is an opportunity for everybody here in the Philippines, in Africa, Haiti, Jamaica. There's so much poverty around the world. This is a way to fight back and get away from that. All right. So thank you, everyone, for allowing me to present to you the owner's perspective. Those are the 5 points the owner wanted me to share with you guys. Please contact the person who invited you to this presentation and join me. Join us. We go live in August 2019. We can build a residual income for you and your family when people play games and gamble online. This is an incredible opportunity. And for those of you that are really just don't know anything or negative about network marketing, please do your research. Go find out. Go to businessforhome.org. And you can see the top earners right now. They're making a lot of money. This is billions of dollars industry, especially in the gaming and gambling industry, $500 billion industry that we are now able to participate in. Crowd1 has given us the opportunity to share the revenue in residual income from the gambling industry. You're never going to get a chance to see this opportunity to benefit from the gambling industry. You won't. So imagine all those people that are going to the casino, that are spending money, and now the gambling industry is sharing their profit with you. That's what this is. That's what this is. This is an opportunity to share in the gambling industry.